Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken achari, a truly flavorful and aromatic Pakistani curry. We'll start by gathering all the essential ingredients, then move on to creating that signature achari spice blend. You'll learn the step-by-step cooking process, ensuring your chicken is tender and infused with incredible taste. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this wonderful, tangy, and spicy dish, perfect for any meal. To begin our culinary journey, you'll need about 1 kilogram of bone-in chicken, cut into medium-sized pieces. For the base, prepare 2 large onions, finely chopped, and 3 ripe tomatoes, pureed for a smooth texture. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 100 grams of plain yogurt, and a few green chilies for that authentic kick. We'll also use whole spices like fenugreek, fennel, nigella, and mustard seeds, which are crucial for the achari flavor. The heart of chicken achari lies in its unique spice blend. First, gently dry roast 1 teaspoon each of fenugreek, fennel, nigella, and mustard seeds until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Then, grind these roasted spices into a coarse powder. Combine this with 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a half teaspoon of garam masala. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of amchur or dry mango powder for that distinctive tangy flavor that defines achari. Now for the cooking. In a large pot, heat 3 tablespoons of oil and sauté the chopped onions until they turn golden brown. Add the ginger garlic paste and chicken, cooking until the chicken changes color. Next, stir in the tomato puree and our freshly prepared achari spice blend. Cook for 5 minutes, then incorporate 100 grams of whisked yogurt. Cover and simmer on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes until the chicken is tender. Garnish with slit green chilies and serve hot with warm naan or fluffy rice. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.